We're going to graph the following number on a number line. A is the number 4. Number 4 is a regular natural number, whole number, integer, and that can just be found directly on the number line. So we can just put a dot here at the number line at the value 4, and we place in that value of A. Let's go to B. B is a negative number that follows as a integer that also normally fits on a number line. We go to the value of -5 right here, put the circle, and put the letter B right on top of it. C, this is a rational number, 27 divided by 3, which can be simplified into 9/1 or just 9. This can now be placed on where 9 is. You put the dot there, you put the letter C right there. Letter D looks like it is a square root of 25. The square root of 25 is 5. There we go to that letter number, which is 5. We put the dot there. Then we put the letter D there. That is where the square root of 25 belongs. E is pi, which is 3.14159. So that is a irrational number that exists somewhere between 3 and 4. So we can put our dot right there to 3.14 to indicate it right there. So right here, these are all the different types of numbers that you can find, that you can actually graph on a number line.